Okay, I'm going to show you how I drew, well, color in one of the characters that I've got for Millennium 5. This character has already been drawn out already. You can see the person here, it's Gadgetana. If I zoom out of the picture, you can see I call this picture jump for obvious reasons. Ha ha ha. And then that is what she looks like when she's in full color. But of course, this picture has not been colored in just yet. So what I'm going to do for starters, just to show you the basics again, is going to zoom in on the face here. And then the helmet, I'm just going to color bits of it in here like this. So starting with the, I don't know, the ridge of the helmet, if you like. Now the helmet is yellow. Excuse me, this aspect of the helmet is yellow. But I've just done the wrong thing. Undo that. So just like when you're using Word, you can undo something. So what I'm doing here, I'm making sure that everything's on the right layer. So that line there, that's the layer that I want it to be on. Right, so I'm going to start again so that when I draw that color for that part of the helmet, you will still see the line. You can still see the line, the drawing pencil line. But it's not a pencil line because it's actually digital, but it's a digital pencil line, but it's a guideline for helmet. As I was saying before I got interrupted, this aspect of a helmet is meant to be yellow. So let me look at the reference again so that we know what we're trying to achieve. This aspect here, that's what we've just done. And these kind of triangle things on the top here, they are yellow as well. So I'm just going to put that in orange for now. Obviously orange is part of the family of yellow. So I'm just going to put that there like that. Oh, I should have some music in the background, shouldn't I? Oh, completely forgot. And then this part here. Now just to make sure everybody's up on the same page, so to speak, I am using GIMP. There you go, it says GIMP there somewhere, I don't know, I can't focus on it. And I'm using the brush tool here for her helmet. Now down here we have the palette mixer, and I can get any color that I want. So you can see, go through the whole range. So I want it to be kind of yellowish, so I'm going to go down to the yellow and pick a yellow. So let's say for argument's sake the sun is coming from here, okay? So this is going to be a bit lighter here, like that. And then do the same as that as well. Oops, sorry, like that. I keep forgetting I'm filming it. Right, just FYI, my son's in the kitchen cooking. He's cooking. He is a chef by trade, so it shouldn't be a problem for him. He must be cooking up the stores. It's too bad we can't get smell around on this thing here, because you can't smell what he's doing.
It smells good.
Well, you heard that, he said this, but he would say that, isn't he? He would say that because he's doing it himself, isn't he? So here you go. So I'm just going to quickly just knock this up. I'm not going to talk it through all the way because there's a lot to talk about. But just going to give it a bit of a 3D feel. Obviously, I'm changing the colors here, but you can't see it on the camera. You can only see what I'm pointing at the moment. So again, this is what we're trying to achieve here. Gadgetana's helmet. There you go. Now you might be wondering how on earth you come up with these names, Khalil. Gadgetana, Lakix, Quartz, Kururi, and of course Rain. I think I'm pronouncing that one wrong, but just here and there. And with Gadgetana, I would like to thank Shalina Litt's son. This character was originally called Katana, but there's so many characters out there with that name. Obviously we couldn't keep it because we'd get sued, so I put it out. I must be about a couple of years now, saying, does anybody have an idea for this character? And I didn't show this picture, but I showed an earlier picture. And they say, well, what does she do? She does gadgets and stuff. And what's her name now? Her name is Katana. And he came back like a boss, man, and said Gadgetana. So I can't take credit for that name at all. That was Ty. Thank you very much, bruv. Checks in the post, you wish. And but don't worry, if this book ever does see the light of day, we will give you big credits, bro. So you can see, so I'm just basically started off. Obviously, in the end, it's going to look a bit like that as well. See a bit of orange. I need to slap a bit of orange in there as well, just to kind of give it a bit more feel, a bit more roundedness. I keep forgetting I'm filming. It's supposed to be filming. Okay. Now, sometimes when I do things like this, and I'm thinking to myself, oh God, it's so terrible. What I like to do is go to this particular tool here. Where is it? That tool there. Sorry, that tool there, which is a dodge tool, and I can use it to smear his good name. No, smear the what I've done, and it kind of spreads it out a bit. So it's a basic start. As I said, this is what it's going to look like in the end. It's hard to imagine it, but yes. Yeah, so you can see there's ones I've done before. But it will start off basically the same. Okay, so I hope you guys found that interesting, and we'll see if I'm going to put some more up later on. Okay, so